Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley, and I wanted to talk to you about roofing and how insurance companies look at it. There's a couple things you need to understand about roofing, and people are wondering, hey, am I going to get my roof replaced? Well, it's pretty cut and dry. Do you have wind damage? Do you have hail damage? It's pretty easy, 25% rule. We have a Florida statute, and we also have the building code states that if your roof system was damaged by 25% or more, then the insurance company has to replace the entire roof. So it's pretty easy to understand. You look up at your roof, yeah, it looks about like 25%, and you can prove that, then you're getting a new roof. That's when you want to call Addison Riley, because we will write you up a contract. We'll get it to your insurance company, bill them directly if need be. If you want to pay cash, we can do that. Then you can bill the insurance company, however you want to do it. No assignment of benefits. But remember that 25% rule. That 25% rule is to protect you from having your roof just piecemealed back together. Because we all know that you can't get shingles from 2005 to look the same color, even if they are the same brand and same color. It's called a difference in dye lots. So remember that 25% rule. It's in the Florida Building Code, and it is in the Florida statute. So important for you to know.